The Jamaica Cricket Association will not be able to deliver on its promise of having a new scoreboard built for the upcoming test match against Bangladesh at Sabina Park next month, as there has been a delay in acquiring one from India, according to JCA President Dr. Donovan Bennett. The country's only international accredited cricket venue has been without a functioning scoreboard for several years, with the JCA resorting to temporary structures to facilitate the viewing experience when games are hosted at the venue. Through a partnership with the Indian government, the park was expected to undergo a facelift ahead of the Bangladesh test, but according to Dr. Bennett, the project could be delayed for several months.
Our principals in India who are donating the scoreboard to us is now saying to us that there's new technology that has come up now, the scoreboard technology that we had requested from them and they had approved is now going out. So what they're saying is that we should wait a while, a couple of months more, so that they can give us a better scoreboard system, a more modern scoreboard system than what we had requested, for no additional cost to us. It's just a matter of waiting a couple more months to get it.
Meanwhile, Dr. Bennett also announced that more international cricket is on the way, with one of the top 3 teams in the world set to visit the island next summer.
Some international cricket next year. We have the Australians coming here in July for a test match and for one T20 game also. So just to let the cricketing public know that we are working on bringing back international cricket to Jamaica. We are also working hard, and I hope it really comes to fruition. We are working hard on getting a CPL contract here for the next CPL season.
Jamaica is without a current Caribbean Premier League franchise after the owners of the Talawas decided to move to Antigua, citing a lack of support from the Jamaican government.